Maupo kayo, please. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your time. Welcome to our regular command conference through the leadership of General Abad. Maraming salamat sa inyo, especially yung ating mga malaking events. I know marami napagod sa inyo sa mga atabs ninyo at saka nitong mga nakaraang 2 linggo. Yung mga gumagawa ng krimen sa Maynila, recent, saka in the past. We continue that policy. Sa simple lang naman yung katwiran natin sa mga kriminal. As a matter of guarantee to the people of Manila. Gusto natin pigilan lahat ng kriminal. May awa ang Diyos. Gabayan nawa tayo. Pero pag halimbawa sila ligtas o nakataka sa krimen na ginawa nila, we make sure that they are going to be brought to justice. So that it creates certainty in the city of Manila. It's not worth it to do crimes against property and person in the city of Manila while we are around. Kasi hindi sulit sa kanila dahil hahabulin natin sila kahit saan sila magtago. At kahit kaano pa katagal. I really don't care. Basta we bring justice to the victim. Yun naman ang common. I think that's also your orientation in the schooling. But I'm very proud and happy with your performance. So keep it up. Keep it up. Send my regards to your family and to your respective policemen. Basta tayo focus lang. No let up. No let up. Galing yung beri mo, kundi ba namang kikinang muli ang mga galyetas, tanso sa dibdib at balikat ninyo. Beri mo, pulis natin, madaling araw, nakikipagbatuhan ng tingga sa mga suspect kahit mag-isa. Ba't naman ako hindi magiging proud sa Manila Police District? Saka ang gustong-gusto ko doon sa yung restraint, nawawala yung gigil, naka-focus, gawin lang yung trabaho, o kung nawala na yung birthday ng suspect, so be it. Pero hanggat maaari, talagang kukunin natin sila ng buhay at padala sila sa husgado. At hayaan natin ng husgado ang magpasya kung sila ay may sala o wala. Tayo naman, peace and order. Yun ang trabaho natin. Worth mentioning talaga. Although lahat naman kayo nagpe-perform, pero yung ginawa nung aga, nung isang pulis natin, exceptional yun kasi napapansin tuloy ng taong bayan na kahit madaling araw, ang lespo natin nasa kalsada. In full uniform, performing their lawful duty, their obligation to the community, to the organization, to the country and the city of Manila. So something that I am really proud of your fellow men and women uniform personnel of the Manila Police District. Kaya keep it up. I'm happy and I'm proud to each and every one of you, but also you have to take care of yourself. Because ang sabi ng mga matatandang pulis dito nung araw, ang pulis daw, paglabas, yung unang apak ng paa sa labas ng pintuan ng bahay niya, yung kalahati nun, nasa hukay na. Ganun ka delikado ang trabaho ng pulis. At saka medyo argabyado pa tayo dahil tayo uniformado. Yung kriminal, walang uniform yun. Hindi natin mahuhulaan basta-basta kung sino sa kanila. But, at the very least, if they do it, call tayo. Wala tayo, kung gusto naman nila, magbago na sila ng buhay or ng address. Not in Manila. So, thank you. Palakpakan natin si General Abad.